What's good, your boy Cooper T? Welcome back to another vlog, man. Y'all, another vlog, another day. Boy, back being consistent, like I said, man. Old Cooper's in the building. Y'all know when I got the beards, old Cooper. When I don't got the beards, young Cooper in the building. But man, y'all, today been a good day. But before I get in this video, I hope y'all been having a good day. Hope y'all been being productive, doing everything y'all want to do in life, and staying consistent at it. But right now, y'all, we currently in the backyard. As y'all can see, the grass is due. I have to cut this yard, y'all. Lately, I've been keeping it maintained, you know what I'm saying? So it haven't been too harsh on me. Versus, I wish I would have recorded how it first was looking. Oh my God, y'all, the grass was like this tall. And I did all that with a push lawnmower. But right now, y'all, I'm about to cut the backyard real quick. Later on, I'm going to hit legs again. I'm going to be more consistent on legs, man. I'm telling y'all be talking about I got chicken legs and stuff like that. Y'all going to stop telling me that. Y'all going to stop telling me that. But today, we're going to hit them legs today, man. Hit a little bit of abs, you feel me, core. And, yeah, other than that, earlier today, y'all, of course, I dashed. I'm kind of tired from that, I ain't going to lie, but I'm trying to push myself, and life is all about pushing, you know. So I'm just trying to push myself to keep going, keep doing things. So I'm gonna cut the grass and chill for a little bit before we hit the gym. But other than that, that's all I've been doing. Really, I haven't been doing a lot today. That's why I'm like now just recording, because I'm actually doing something that, you know, it's not really boring. But other than that, man, yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. If you're new to my channel, go by Cooper TV. Like, comment, subscribe, don't miss a vlog. And if you already been here, you already know the vibes. You dig? Hey! That's your man, he fuck with them niggas, yeah, you better. You know, I had to turn up for y'all a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Nah, I'm saying you feel me, cuz you feel me. But right now, y'all, we just knocked out half of the backyard, you feel what I'm saying? Can't show y'all the front yard, cause I don't want y'all to know where I stay. Keep in mind, I know some of y'all live out of state, but I do got people that's in my city that be watching me, so keeping everything private, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? So basically, this is what I got done so far. As you can tell, a big difference. That's the patch of the grass. This me cutting. You know what I'm saying? So let me stand back for y'all can see the work, man. You got the work. So I gotta hit the weed eater, get the edges. Don't worry about that, cause I'm gonna get that done. I'm gonna get the weed eater, whatever it's called, and I'm gonna cut that. Still got the little patch left. That's how everything looks and stuff. But I'm kind of glad that cause I did the front yard yesterday. I always wait till like cool down like 6, 7 and cut the yard if I want to pass out. But I did the front yard yesterday. It looked real good. I know y'all can't see it, but take my word for it. I promise I won't lie to y'all. I promise. But yeah, like I say, I think Wednesday supposed to be like category 6. A bad hurricane supposed to be hitting y'all, a real bad hurricane. So I pray all y'all be safe out there. Make sure you go to the store, stack up on water, things you can eat. Cause I think it's only for like one day, and the lights might blow out. So you want to make sure y'all have something to eat. So go rack up on food, man. Don't rack up on too much. Only get what you need. It's only one day, man. Don't go to the people grocery store and go and take all the bread off the shelf. Come on, man. Y'all just being too greedy. It ain't that serious, bro. Like when I was driving past, I seen pink people getting sandbags, and okay, we not about to be like New Orleans. It's just a bad hurricane, you know. You might get some trees, some branches, some leaves, some heavy rain, a lot of wind, stuff like that, man. So what y'all need to be doing is putting your faith in God, bro. But other than that, yeah, this is what we got going on, y'all. So I'm gonna record a little bit of me cutting the grass. I just want y'all to enjoy the vlog, man. Everything organic, man. Hey, if your man not doing stuff for you, if your man not cutting the grass for you, if your man not taking out the trash for you, man, find you another boyfriend.
fell down, meditate on the grass. Think of my life like it ain't that bad. Looking at your face like why a nigga mad. Nigga, you better get in your bag.
I got my gloves, I could rip it out. I don't know if that's poison or not.
Yep.
That's how you line it up. Alright, y'all, so basically I'm done. The lawnmower ended up kinda going out. I guess it's like too much, I put too much like tear on it, wear and tear. Cause it's an electric weed eater. I said lawnmower, it's an electric weed eater, I think. I saw it smoking, but I know I smelled it at first, but I didn't think it was the weed. I thought it was just me hitting against the wood, but this how I looking at, y'all. I'm gonna cut all that. See what I'm saying? I was cutting all that. Y'all remember how they looked at first, but I couldn't get over here, cause this one it went out. See, I was cutting against it. I was cutting it down. I was just edging it down. I was gonna get over here. Didn't get a chance to do that. Didn't get a chance to line this up, but I did do this boy. Yeah. Look how crispy that is. Look at that. Come on, man. Come on, man. But yeah, man, that's really it, y'all. I'm about to wash my hair, oil it, take a shower. And yeah. Stay tuned. Let me know how I did with the grass, man. Let me know if y'all like the grass, did I do a good job? What's good, family? So right now, y'all, I just made it to the gym. Wasn't about to come in first, but changed my mind. I decided to come. And I'm about to hit legs, bro. About to hit legs real quick, and then hurry and shoot to the store. And yeah, pretty much this is the vlog, I always say. Yeah, what are these legs days? I'm trying to kill them for y'all.
Let's go. Yeah. Let's go. Hey.
A lot of them ain't no joke, y'all.
Hey. Okay. That bag deliver. That bag got a lot of stash in it. That cash I flip it. You already know I'm the bag, man. Fuck her good, but that's the past 10. I don't really want it. It's a lot of bitches looking all bad. And they all up on me. Got a bitch on my left, got a bitch on my right, and they all looking nice. Fill that cup with some money. Pour a four in the spur. What a hell of a night. Turned up, might miss my flight. I get it. You gotta stay focused, gotta stick to that can. I got a bad bitch, you want a Birkin bag. What you gonna do if I get in that jam? Then I'm business, gotta eat for my fam. There's a lot of money in the world.
And then we're gonna finish your sets and push-ups. You got 30 left. You got the test flies. We're gonna finish with them 21. That's the warm-up. And we're gonna kick it off.
See, I got my boy with me, man.
Oh man, look at him. Check him out. There you go, cousin. Let me see something. Squeeze that, you gotta squeeze at the top, man.
Look at the front of my arm.
Fuck.
Don't hurt yourself, bro.
That bit ain't bending. Oh, that bit don't bend. Let me see. Fuck that.
Don't break his wrist. It's over for you, brother. Catch me real quick. And then we're gonna do the incline. Light work.
Come on.
You gonna be able to see it? My pockets in there. It's for the family.
Now you just toast.
Okay, bye.